Prize TV. Subscribe now.
Alfa Romeo has no plans to forsake the game's auto portion once the 4C achieves the finish of its item cycle. That is as indicated by the Italian organization's best architect, who in a current meeting with Auto Express affirmed that a 4C substitution is coming. Being in the market with that sort of auto isn't a decision, we need to do it, Alfa Romeo's head of designing, Roberto Fedeli, said in the meeting. We need to have an unadulterated energetic auto. Be that as it may, the substitution may wind up being altogether different to the 4C. Fedeli uncovered that Alfa Romeo has various choices on the table, including changing to another stage as well as new kind of powertrain. One thing is for sure, there won't be a manual transmission advertised. Fedeli said there is too little request to legitimize the improvement costs. A 4C substitution is still a significant number a long time out, as the 4C is just moving toward the halfway point in its item cycle, and Alfa Romeo has all the more squeezing issues within reach, specifically rounding out its lineup with more beneficial models. At the highest priority on the rundown is a fair-size SUV. In his meeting with Auto Express, Fedeli additionally uncovered that a minimized auto is likewise a vital model for the organization. Alfa Romeo as of now offers the Giulietta minimal incubate in a few markets. However, the auto, having been propelled in 2010, is long late for substitution. With a specific end goal to finish the Alfa scope of items will require another couple of columns, something in the compact section, and after that clearly a lovely item, an extremely energetic item, he said. Alfa Romeo was relied upon to discharge a refreshed item design in mid-2018. As for its latest arrangement, the organization is right now building up a medium-sized vehicle, minimized SUV, smaller auto, and 2 claim-to-fame models. All Alfa Romeo will state is that these extra models will be taken off amongst now and the finish of 2020. However, we've heard that the medium-sized vehicle, an Italian challenger to the BMW 5 Series and Mercedes E-Class, has been pushed back to 2021.